Hey beauties, it's D Beauty here, also known as Hazee, and I am back with another video. Yeah, I'm so excited for this video. I'm going to be working with Reyna Rose. They have like everything you could think of in any design or shape for nail strips. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be reviewing for you guys today, and also like can y'all just look at how many they sent? So today I'm actually going to be using the plaid quicksand ivory. That is the name of the one that I'll be using. It's definitely like a Burberry inspired nail, and I'm absolutely loving it. Okay, here is all their social media. So of course, Reyna Rose Nail, you guys already seen on my Instagram already if you are following me, which is D Beauty Forever. You seen my stories, so you already know the outcome. This video is definitely gonna be the process of it, how I feel using their products, and definitely the quality of their products as well. So it does come with an instruction card, which is so cool and so important, especially if this is your first time using it. It does come with some alcohol pads, which is great, a nail file, and 20 nail strips, if I haven't said that before. So since it does come with 20, it's so easy to size your nails. Also, I'm on their website right now, and I can't even believe like what I was that I didn't know this. You could actually use these for your toes too. So if you need a matching set, wait, that is crazy, huh? So if you need a matching set for like your toes to match your nails, like what? Okay, so basically what you could do is like cut them in half, and especially if you're using your natural nail, you could easily cut these strips in half. Use the bigger side or the wider side for your toe, and then the more narrow side for your fingers. But if you guys want a video on that, definitely let me know. So I was actually thinking about using press-on nails to do this video like I did for my Dashing Diva video. But I was like, I ended up just doing my natural nail. I'm like, let me really give this product a chance. Like last time when I did a Dashing Diva and I did it on some nails, y'all really came for me. Like, and if you haven't seen that video, definitely check it out. I will have that linked in the cards or down below in the description box. So yeah, this clip I just left it in for you guys just to watch. I don't know why, but whatever. Also, while we're here, shameless plug, definitely check out my jewelry at OhdeeDripp.com. Everything will be linked down below in the description box for OhdeeDripp. So all the rings and accessories you guys see me with, that will be on there as well. And I do have the instruction card propped up, so all the information is correct. Like, I know that I'm applying this correct for sure. So you rip off a piece. I already sized it. You take the plastic off on top. There's a clear plastic to protect the gel layer. And then you're going to peel the backing off, which is the piece of paper. You see, it's so simple and so easy, and that's why I absolutely love it. Then you just rip this bottom part. So now with this, you could use either side. So you could use the more square side if you have a square nail bed, or you could use the rounder side if your nails are more round by the cuticle. So that's what makes it great for your toes as well, because if your toes are more square, of course you could use the wider side for that or whatever. So here I'm actually just trying to measure it out, see how it fit on a nail. And when I realized it was not working out, that's when I just ended up trying to buff my natural nail just to make sure that everything will stick properly. So I treated my natural nail as if I would with press-on nails, just to make sure that it has a rough surface to stick on. So use the handy dandy nail file it comes with. You line this up to your cuticle, you line up the nail strip, you make sure that you press it on nicely. After you actually buff your nail, you can use the alcohol pad to actually dry your nail as well, which I should have done, but you live and you learn. Now you want to take the nail file and buff off any excess polish or any excess of the strip, and it's super easy. Like when I tell you this nail file is way better than the last one I was using in the other video, like I really mean that. This went on so easy. It was so simple to apply, and I absolutely loved the outcome. Like, it came out so fire. And you could actually, you see how it comes with like that nice brown sand color, and then it also comes with the Burberry plaid design. Then you could actually like do a full set in that design, or you can mix it up like I did as well, which was super fun and super cute. So what I'm going to do is actually do the same throughout the video so you guys could watch that, and then I'll come back at the end. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look, and when I tell you, I absolutely love it. So again, these are how the strips look, and just look at this finished look. Like, I feel luxurious, like I feel like Burberry queen, you know. It looked a little ashy, so I went in with some of this unicorn oil, and I just rubbed that onto my cuticles and the nail as well, and it looks so popping. Okay, on the index finger, kind of messed up, but whatever. Absolutely love it. Also, you could use the code DBF15 off to save money on your next purchase at Reyna Rose. So definitely check out the description box for all that information. Also, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.